Are you ready to create stunning video presentations effortlessly? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a professional looking video presentation in Canva, perfect for work, school, or personal projects. Start by opening Canva on your computer or device. If this is your first time, don't worry. Canva is incredibly user-friendly, whether you're a beginner or an experienced web creator. On the homepage, type video presentation into the search bar. This will bring up a wide variety of ready-to-use templates that can save you hours of work. Take a moment to browse and pick a template that fits your style. Whether you want something sleek and professional or bold and playful, the right template sets the tone for your entire presentation. Once you've found the perfect one, click Customize and it will open in Canva's editor, giving you full control over every element. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your slides. Click on the text boxes to replace placeholder text with your own content. Keep your message clear and engaging. This is what will capture your audience's attention. Next, enhance your slides with images. Canva offers a massive library, or you can upload your own. This is a great way to maintain consistency with your style or brand. As you work through your slides, remember to preview your presentation. Make sure the flow feels natural, transitions are smooth, and every element complements your message. When you're happy with your creation, download or share your video directly from Canva in the format that works best for you. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can create a polished, eye-catching video presentation that impresses every audience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.